Welcome to the project demonstration of BLDC motor speed controlling and monitoring system along with temperature monitoring system using Arduino UNO. So here the main application of this project is we are representing this BLDC motor to measure the speed and controlling that with the help of the keypad. Means manually we are going to set the RPM from this keypad, and that will be set by our Arduino UNO board, and the live speed will be measured and the set speed will be measured and displayed on this 16:2 LCD screen. So speed set from the keypad, speed measure from this IR sensor. This is a fully closed loop speed control of BLDC motor. So we are using 12 volt BLDC motor, as well as coming to the temperature monitoring will be done with help of this temperature sensor. And to control the speed of this BLDC motor, we are making use of MOSFET which is acting as a switch to control this speed, and whenever the temperature crosses the threshold value, then we will get the audible alert through this buzzer. So here the major components and power supply unit is we are providing 230 volts AC inputs to the transformer which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and that will be converted into the 12 volts of DC outputs along with 5 volts of DC output. Means 2 DC outputs we are going to get. This is the 12 volts DC output, as it is a working voltage to our BLDC motor, and the next this one is a 5 volts DC output which is getting from this 7805 voltage regulator. So this regulator power supply board consists of 3 stages: rectification, filtration and regulation, and the transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC. So this is the power flow input to this one. When we get the 5 volts power supply, it start reading input from this 4x4 matrix keypad. Based on this RPM enter, the system will control the speed of this BLDC motor till it reaches the set speed, and the live speed getting from this IR sensor, and temperature direct from this thermistor temperature sensor. So let us check with the demonstration. So once we on this, welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and set RPM and 31 degrees centigrade value over displaying over here, and the live speed here. So you can see this live speed will be monitored. So when I make a movement in front of this IR sensor. So let us enter with right for the confirmation ash. So when we enter that, it took the target as a 10 RPM and the live. So it's keep on rotating that. So if we set for 30 ash, then the speed will be increased. We can observe that. So once it reaches the 30, it's lock the speed over there only. If it is above that, it will decrease the speed. If it is below that, it will increase the speed. Again 10 ash. Slowly the speed will be decreased. Once it reaches the 10, it will lock over there only. 80 ash. So slowly the speed will be increased. Right, and coming to the temperature. Right, so whenever the temperature crosses the 45 degrees centigrade, then we will get the audible alert through the buzzer, and when it is below 45 degrees centigrade, then automatically the buzzer will be off. Right, thank you.